Flexsteel Henry reclining motor repair. Push recliner over front end to gain access to attachment clips. Locate and disconnect headrest and lumbar cables. Using a flathead screwdriver, pry up on the attachment clips, while also pulling the back free from the recliner. With the back removed, lay the recliner completely upside down. Ensure the model numbers on the motors match. Remove the 4 bolts attached to the plastic slide. Remove the 4 mounting bolts. Remove all zip ties that hold wires to frame. Remove screw mount. Locate and remove the screw mount that holds secondary wires. Pull the secondary cables through. Disconnect the power and control wires. If all the steps are followed correctly, the motor should freely release. Now let's reinstall the motor. On your new motor, locate the 2 female wires. Run the cables through the hole. Pull them through the other side and reattach the screw mount. Reattach the 4 mounting bolts. Reattach the control arm to the plastic slide. Attach the screw mount to wires and frame. Reconnect the control and power wires. Using zip ties, mount the wiring along the bottom frame. Ensure the movement of the recliner doesn't overstretch any wires. Reattach the back. Reconnect the secondary wires. Thanks for watching.